What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax, but today we are coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing update. With a bit of breaking news late this week, state of California is pledging $18 million to this project. So it should be known that the money is getting pulled from the California Transportation Commission's Environmental Enhancement and Mitigation program, hopefully providing the final push that they need. What was once a privately funded project has now entered the space of a publicly funded project. Whether that public fund is going to be acting as the cavalry coming down in the 11th hour, who knows? These additional funds should help speed up this project, as this is public funds coming in to the pipeline. There will be some significant closures on Agora Road coming up during the week, so we're going to have to continue with the weekend updates for the time being. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Comment on the video for better for worse. All that goes a long ways keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that fantastic February content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.